How to download and install Epson Connect. Epson Connect is a service that allows you to print and scan from anywhere using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. To download and install Epson Connect, you can follow these steps. Superscript 1. Superscript 2. Make sure your Epson printer is connected to the internet with a wireless or Ethernet connection as described on the Start Here sheet for your printer. Visit the Epson Connect downloads page at https://epson.com/support/epson-connect-downloads and download the appropriate installer for your system. Run the installer and allow for the software. To discover your printer, select your printer and click Next. Select printer registration and click Next. Select Agree and click Next. When you see the Register a Printer to Epson Connect message, click OK. Do one of the following. If you're creating a new account, fill out the Create an Epson Connect account form and click Finish. If you're registering a new printer with an existing account, select I already have an account, fill out the Add a New Printer form and click Add. Click Close. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Epson Connect. You can now use Epson Email Print, Remote Print, or Scan to Cloud to print and scan from anywhere. If you have any questions or issues, you can contact Epson Support, *2 for further assistance.